Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abigail, but you can also call me Abby, and I am a plus size fashion creator and stylist. And in today's video, I'm going to be recreating some Pinterest outfits as a plus size girl. And I'm also going to be using pieces that I already own. I didn't get any new item for this video. I'm also going to be showing you how to make them look realistic and wearable as a plus size girl. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. For the first outfit, we're going to be recreating this outfit. This should be easy. I'm really a wear a shirt and a pair of jeans and look nice girl, so this should be a very easy outfit for me to recreate. But let's see how it's going to look like on a plus size body though. Yeah. So for the jeans, I'm going to be using this jeans. I didn't have it in a dark wash. I have a dark wash jeans, obviously. But because of the outfit, it had this turn up version, which I only have in this light wash jeans. So we're going to try to recreate it with this. We have put our jeans on. Yeah. I have two options for the striped shirt. So I have this brown. I have this brown stripe. And I also have this pink one. I'm vibing to the brown one more. So let's use the brown one. This is how it looks like basically. Sorry. Looks like basically. So yeah, so she had her sleeves. Okay, she didn't fold them. I'm gonna draw our sleeves up. I really like this outfit. It looks so casual but yet very chic. Middle. She tucked her shirt just in the middle. So let's see how we can do that. Okay. I think we have just a little bit of what she did. I don't know, I'm having a bulge here. It's so big. The back is basically still out. Sorry. Still out. I'm just going to accessorize a lot because it feels like she accessorized a lot. She had a white shoe on. So this, I think I've owned these shoes for like 3 years. Yeah. So white shoe. Let's put this white shoe on. She had a brown bag on. So this is the bag we're using. But I just want to quickly switch my glasses for this because I'm not really vibing to this. So let's use this one. If you know me, if you follow me on TikTok and IG, you know the way I love to hold my bags like this. So I'm going to show you the full fit here. What I love about this outfit is how it can look so casual, so simple, but yet can still present as a very elegant and chic outfit. You still look put together, still look like a clean, matured lady. And there are a lot of places you can wear an outfit to. You can actually wear this outfit on a date. Yes, I said it, you can. Every day is not sexy gowns. You can wear it to brunch with your girls, you can wear it on a date, you can wear it to church, you can wear it out, you can even wear it for a work meeting. This outfit is nice. I think we did well with this outfit. For the next outfit, we're going to be recreating this. I really like this. 3 of my favorite colors are in this outfit. For the pants, we're going to be using this gray pant that I made. For the top, we're going to be using this bodysuit. I think in this video it's looking a little bit bright, but nope, it's actually dark. We're going to be using this black belt. We're going to be using this color because it goes with my top. She had like a strap, like one strap, like just a single strap bag. And I'm going to be using this. I'm going to convert this into like a strap. So I guess we'll go with the vibe. Don't forget that it is an outfit inspo. We're not just bound to do exactly what we get. We can try to recreate it with things we already have. I already love the way this outfit is coming together. Like, the hell? It looks so nice. And gray and wine is A beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mix. So let's finish recreating this. So let's finish recreating this. We're gonna go for this one for the bag. So she had on like a very simple oval sunglasses. So let's swap this for that. I really didn't think that I was actually going to like this outfit as much as I do. I really love it. Really so much. For the third outfit, I'm gonna be recreating this outfit. Have this skirt, this lovely, this is to show you that I actually love burgundy. This is one of my favorite satin skirts. So she had a black belt, which I didn't even take note of. So we're still going to use this black belt I used. She was putting on a white shoe. For the glasses, she wore the same little shade. So she carried this bag. Let me tell you something weird about this outfit. I actually have a water cup or a water bottle that looks exactly like the one she's holding. But let's not do too much, okay? Let's not do too much. This outfit looks good. Outfit looks really, really good. I am so wearing this. I'm definitely wearing this. I already have faces in my mind that I can wear this to and look really, really good. For all these outfits, this video just shows that Pinterest outfits are just ideas. You don't need the exact body type. All you need is to understand your body and to know what works for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification so that you won't miss the next video. Comment down below which outfit is your favorite, and if you want me to do a part 2, we can as well turn this into a series. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.